Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you how to simply add clickable link in Google Docs. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so let's say we want to add clickable link to this particular docs in Google Docs. So for us to add a clickable link, first thing first, we need to add an action button. We can add click here, or better still, we can add register now or sign up. So let's say sign up. Then I'm going to simply highlight. Then having highlight will come to the top right there. We'll make